down. I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw. When you break it off, you'll see who had it all. You had it all. When the lights go down, I've seen hell in you, but you don't care, no, you don't care, no. You just rather watch me fall from a quarter mile. I can see you at the call. Think about it, ring won't tell you what I saw.
Hey guys, good morning to one and all, and welcome back to yet another new vlog today. My day always start with an energy drink. That is what I'm preparing today. Is a green tea. So I just grabbed my cup of green tea and just came out to have fun with my Max. We really love to have fun with my Max, but unfortunately I'm not finding time. And here he is waiting for my son. He's calling my son, come on, let's play. And once he come out, he will go and get his toys, and they will play together. And see guys, he's going to get a toy. He knows that he's gonna come out, and yes, he's waiting for my son now. Once he come, they will start playing. Until then I'm gonna engage him.
Swimming against the tide, I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
Max really loved to play with ball more than any other toy, but once he get a ball, he'll not give to anyone. He really liked to irritate my son by not giving the ball, but that really my son enjoys a lot. So now I'm going to clean my dishwasher. So I'm going to show you how to clean and how to maintain hygiene your dishwashers. So are you guys ready to watch? Go on, let's go on, start cleaning. So this is how it looks. It's almost a month over. I'm not cleaned to show you guys only. So this is how it looks. And you might think why the dishwasher need cleaning, because it's already clean only, but still I'm going to show you how it is looking before cleaning. This is actually the edge of the door space where you close, and there you can see the grease and the soap scum, and surface also you can see the soap scum. So your dishwasher will really looks very clean, but can you see guys, this is how it will become day by day. So there is an effective method for cleaning a dishwasher, and that's what I will be sharing with you today's video. First step is gather your appliances and remove the filter, utensils, holders and racks. And here is my favorite cleaning ingredients: white vinegar and baking soda. White vinegar really helps to remove grime, dissolves minerals deposits and sanitizes your dishwasher, and using baking soda really helps you to remove lingering odors and scrub away stuck on food bits, residents and stains. While the idea of cleaning your dishwasher may seem redundant, it's actually a useful procedure that can keep your dishwasher working effectively. One of the main issues with dishwasher is that over time food residue, grease and soap scum can form stubborn deposits. This grimy buildup can make your dishwasher look dirty, smell bad, and even prevents it from cleaning your dishes properly. I usually clean my dishwasher once in a 15 days, so that will really helps me to keep my dishwasher safe and clean.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide.
So I just sprayed vinegar and baking soda and just rest that for at least an half an hour. And meanwhile, I just came here to wash the filters and racks.
Is far too late. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know so
Here I just clean the filters and the racks and just wiping with a dry cloth and let it dry for some time. Now meanwhile, let's go and clean the dishwasher now. Here I have taken a very new toothbrush to clean the dishwasher, very small places where our hand can't reach over there, even our fingers also. So I have taken the help of this toothbrush. After half an hour, I started scrubbing everywhere, each and every corner of the dishwasher.
swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me.
Now I'm cleaning the surface and even the fans.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in.
Now scrubbing is done. Here I'm going to close the dishwasher and going to run the dishwasher on a hot water cycle with vinegar and baking soda. So it's almost clean. Now last but not the least, take a dry cloth and try to wipe it everywhere. After each cycle, please try to wipe the door as well as the racks so that you can maintain the hygienist of the utensils as well as your dishwasher.
Against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you.
These steps will really help you to keep your dishwasher clean. Now I'm just fixing the filter. After cleaning, let's have a look how my dishwasher is looking.
I wanna forget you. Let me
Oh my God! Wow!
and pull, but you repel me, giving
Here the racks also dried, so I'm just keeping inside. Now this dishwasher door keep it open at least for an hour.
Swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull.
Once I'm done with my dishwasher cleaning, now I just came to clean my washing machine also. But here I'm not going to show you the deep cleaning because I'm going to take a one more day for that.
Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this
Here I would like to share two tips of a washing machine. One is clean your filters. Second one is clean the washing machine tub.
push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight. Ice cold, swimming against the tide. I wanna forget you, but you pull me in. I know this ocean is far too wide. I wanna forget you. Let me forget you. Push and pull, but you repel me, giving up this fight.
So here I'm using this brand for washing machine cleaning. According to me, I felt this is best for our machine, and whichever you feel it's best, please go for it. This powder really helps you to remove the bad smell inside the washing machine, others inside. Machine also clean the machine drum or tub and scale. This powder we need to add directly to the drum, and I've just on the quick wash. This will take a bit of time, guys. Once it's done, I'm gonna wipe it with a dry cloth. I would really suggest you to share this video even to your friends or relatives. Definitely it will be very helpful video, guys. That's all for today's one, guys. Thanks for being with me again. Stay strong, stay safe, stay home. Let's catch up with a new vlog again tomorrow. Till then, do like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is VRK Homemaker.